Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free for the student. The certification name is MongoDB Certification Exam Voucher. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So getting the 100% free voucher for the MongoDB certification, and the voucher value will be approx dollar of 150 plus. So this is only for the student. So want to get a MongoDB certified for free? In this video, I will explain how to student can obtain a 100% discount MongoDB certification voucher. Prepare for the exam and successfully schedule and pass it all step by step. So MongoDB offers a amazing opportunity for the student to earn industry recognized certifications at zero cost. So helping you strengthen your resume and stand out in job market. So what you will learn in this video. So how to get a 100% free MongoDB certification voucher, registering with the MongoDB. There is a GitHub student developer pack and completing the MongoDB University learning path, and how and when you receive the free voucher code, and exam preparation strategy, study guide, logs, and practice questions, how to register, apply voucher, and schedule the exam. So online exam and ProctorU setup is there. So exam day tips for maximizing your score, how to get your Credly, this on page, and MongoDB talent dictionary listing. So step by step process cover. So sign up with the GitHub student developer pack. So log into this is the URL using the GitHub, and complete a MongoDB University Developer Learning Path. Receive your discount voucher automatic via email, or apply voucher during the checkout, and schedule exam with the online process, and exam. Pass the exam, receive the MongoDB certification. Online exam requirement. You need a PC or Mac with Chrome browser and Chrome extension, auto remove after exam, run system test in advance, display pop-up blocker, use a personal computer for the best experience, and after passing the exam, get a Credly digital badge within 72 hours. Get listed in the MongoDB talent dictionary. Share your achievement with the LinkedIn social media, and source of official information. You can visit the MongoDB official certification. This one document, and support the channel. If your video helps you, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe for the more free certification and tech tutorial. Drop your question in comment, happy to help you. So I'm going through the step by step process now. So this is the URL. So there is an option sign in with the GitHub. Before this, okay, let me log in first. So click there, and you can create an account. So this is the GitHub account you can create, and already have a GitHub account. So I have already registered, and if you click on this one, create account. So this is the process. You have to give the username, your other details will be there. So now I'm going to put my email address or username, and this is my password. Click on sign in. There is a two-factor authentication is enabled. So let me get the authentication. So any authenticator you can use. So I'm getting the GitHub. I'm just using the code is 5 or okay. This is a new code is coming A60856596. Okay. So any authenticator app you can use. I'm using the Microsoft. So you are in logged in now. You can log out option is you can visible. So now we will go for the this one. So claim your free MongoDB certification. So complete the certification learning path. So go to this path. Just control and open in new tab. Right click and open in new tab. Here also with the new tab. Okay. So this is the MongoDB database admin path. Click there. So self-managed databases are there. Okay, let me check which path I have to complete. So MongoDB, Python, Java, MongoDB developer path, and where is that? Fundamental 6, data, Java. So go with your email address. So let me get my email address. Next, password. Provide your valid email address password. You continue with this to log into your account. Let me just connect with Google. So signing in. Okay, leave this page. So let me open the learning path. So this is the learning path. Okay, we have to complete this one. So click on register now. In your case, you put your email address and password. Okay, so after login, you are able to see this one. So manage database admin path, self-manage. There is a administrator required and already completed. So you can able to see there is a completed. So all the modules are completed. See this. So completed. So when you complete all the modules, so completion criteria, I have completed 17 by 17. So self-managed administrator certification exam elective. So there is a one exam they are providing, that is the certificate DBA exam. Okay, associate DBA exam. So certification there is a 90 minutes are there. When you will become a MongoDB certified, you are achieving the some level of expertise that you require on administrator to attain. So there is a register today, discover below, and how can be best prepare. So when you click on the continue, so this is the page, and here you can see there is a price of this one is $150. Okay, so this one is completed. Now when you will complete, you will get a email, and with the email you will get a this code. So discount code is this one for the 100%, and this is valid up to this one, and other details you will get. Okay, and they will send you one document also, and certification success for the student. Obtain your free certification voucher. There is a register for the GitHub student developer pack, complete MongoDB University learning path, and GitHub credential at the MongoDB slash student. Already we have done, and receives discount voucher automatically. So I got the voucher. If you didn't get the voucher, then you have to fill up on this one form. They will provide you on form. The submit the form. They will send you the voucher. At last, the step by step process. So certification page. So click there and go to the certification page. So associate developer exam, data modeler, then is a Atlas administrator, associate database developer exam. So uh, click on register. So there is a option. So price is $150, 66 question, multiple choice, online proctorate, and this English and requirements is none. So other details you will be seeing there. So now click on the register. So in this page, so click on the purchase your exam voucher. So first name, okay, let it update. So there is a option for the promotional code. So I'll copy this code. I have a code. Let it complete. If there is any issue regarding your exam, please contact on this one. This is the email address. So payment summary will be there. Let me put this one. Click on apply. So there is a $0 is there, and this is the name, email address. You can change the email address. Okay, let it complete. Okay, then we won't allow to change this one. So this is optional. City I'm put inserting Ranchi, Jharkhand, and pin code is this one 835102, and country I'm giving India. Okay, so click on next step. Okay, one thing is required. Let me put the voucher. Click on apply. Ranchi, Ranchi, city Ranchi, and other details are there. So click on next step. So thank you for your order. Return to MongoDB University. So now go to the manage exam again. So link to your MongoDB login. So, so inserted my email address and password and click on link to this account. So username and password did not match. Let's login with a single sign in. Let me try with this. Let me go once again. So manage exam. So I'm creating this one time zone. Asia Kolkata. Phone number not required now. India, India, okay, state, Jharkhand, click there. So first name, last name, click on create account. So remember test in, before exam, ensure that remember your exam login detail, password, managers and store password will not work on the, so that's not issue. So this is my exam, exam, active exam is there. So type is live, pending and check your exam rules and there's just schedule option is there. So click on the schedule, check one date. So I'm going to the just like a September and timing 11:45 p.m. and submit and search. So there is 11:30 on this one. So time is available. These are the time and schedule are available there. Okay. So one of this I will just select 11:30 and click on schedule, or you can want to go for the next available time, so you can go through this. So click on schedule. So reservation is completed. So all the details are there. Go to the my order and here order details you can see. So my order is there. So this is the schedule time and pricing. All the other details are there. So in this video we have learned how to do the step-by-step process to uh, get the voucher, MongoDB voucher and schedule the exam. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, name, logo belongs to their respective owner. This video only made only for the educational and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. So follow and support YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope, thank you.